Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to bring to you guys. That's right, I love bringing new boxes. This is Globin. Do you want to know what is in here and what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received July's Globin box. Apparently they do ship at the end of the month. I just received it today, which is now the 1st. So at least it's kind of close to July. But I did get a few add-ons as well. So I'm going to show you what my box is, and then I'll show you the add-ons if you want to see. But let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company, because I've never brought it on my channel and I want to give you as much information as I can, at least the first time I bring it. So Globin, if you use my code down below, you can get your very first box for $30 off, and your first box is always shipped for free shipping. So that makes your very first box only $10. That's right. You can get your very first box for $10 and you can cancel at any time. Their mission is to deliver joy and empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. Now, the normal subscription is $40 a month. Shipping is an addition. If you get 3 months, it brings it to $38. If you get 6 months, it brings it to $35. And if you do a whole 12 months, it brings it to $33 a box. But again, my code will get you your first box for only $10. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we have. I'm so excited. I've seen this being unboxed on several different channels, and I finally decided to jump on board and see what it's about so I can bring it to you guys so you can see what it is as well. All right, so it's kind of packed with some goodies. So let me go ahead and get out this month's box, and then I'll set these other my add-ons to the side. Okay, you guys, so this is what this month's box looks like right here. And let's go ahead and get in here and see what we have. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Today now is going to be Friday. So I hope you have a wonderful Friday and you have an amazing weekend. I can't wait for Sunday, my only day off. So here is a little pamphlet, and it goes over, it goes over the items that are inside. So we will look into that. Again, this is my very first box, so I don't know what to expect, but it's all packaged pretty well. So there is, says made in Mexico. Sticker just flew off. So here is, here's a basket in a basket. So is this like a plant basket? So it's am I using these together or do I use these separately? But we have some beautiful woven baskets. Those are really, really pretty, and they're soft. Those are really pretty. You can tell a whole lot of time went into those. So there, let me set that aside. So let me see if it says anything in here. I'm so excited. Now, for this box, I do want to let you know, they normally have, I guess, like a monthly theme, but you can change that. If you don't like what's in that, they'll have other boxes that you can choose from. I personally didn't really care for this month's theme, just being honest. So I chose a different theme. So I chose this one, which is called the Buzzed Box. And it has like some teal, I think, margarita glasses or something. That's why I chose this one. So let's see if it says anything about this basket. Maybe it'll give us some more information. Okay, oh, it's a lid. That's supposed to be the lid? It is the lid. See what happens when you look at the instructions? It is the lid. So we have a basket with put a lid on it. I just figured it out. You put a lid on it. So that is really cool. That is really cool. I like that. I like it even more now, actually, because now I know what it is. And now it makes sense. So we have a basket. Ooh, with the lid. So put that back aside. And let's see, this navy blue basket perfectly completes the blue hues in your new martini glasses and wine charms, which I'm so excited about that. And it was handmade in Mexico for the basket, which we already knew because there was the stickers on it. So let's see what this little guy is. I think this is a little, like, yes. This is made in India. So you have, what is this, a jigger? Or what is this called? Let me see, is it called a jigger? I know how to use it. I just don't know what the real terminology is for it. Let's see. I think it's a, yep, it's a jigger. I was right. So to craft this jigger, the artisan first shapes 2 small bowls from thin sheets of stainless steel. Then they polish both bowls, weld them together, and polish again until shiny and smooth. Oh wow, that is so neat, and it shows how they make it. How cool. I really like how this helps people from different countries, and it, you know, and you find new things that are really neat. Like, who would have thought? This looks really cool. I've never seen one shaped like this either. So that's neat. So we have a jigger. Now we have, I think these are coasters made in Mexico because it has that same sticker, but I believe these are coasters. Yes, these are coasters and these are handmade in Mexico. And there's a set of 2. Let me open this up here. Okay, and they are the same on both sides. So that is really neat. You have 2 coasters, which that is definitely different. I've never owned a coaster that is made like that. So I'm actually really excited. I like that. So there's that. Now we have, how cute are these, like stem? These go on the stems of them. Yes. I have a set that are all different colors. So like if somebody is over and you have more than one person having a glass, then I have little different colored rings that you stick around the stems. So this is pretty much the same concept. One has a little, is that an elephant? One has an elephant and one has a little fish, but as far as the colors are the same, which are my favorite colors. So I'm so excited. So here's the one with the little fish on it, and those beads are beautiful. And then this is the one with the little, I think that's an elephant. So all you do is you just open this up, put it around your stem, put it back on, and then you know whose drink is whose. So that is really neat. So we're getting 2 cups, 2 coasters, 2 identifiers is what I'm gonna call them. I don't know what they want to call them. Let's see. They are called Seascaped Wine Charms, and they are made in India. That is awesome. And it shows them making them and getting their beadwork on. That is so cool. So here's this. And let me find it in here. Oh, in the back it even gives you a recipe on a drink to make. These are made, handmade, these glasses are handmade in Mexico. And this is what I'm really excited to see. I love the inside of this box. That's my favorite color. Okay, so let's get these opened and see, where did my knife go? Here we go. See what these look like in person. I'm so excited because they look so pretty online. But you know, when you look at something online, it might not always look like that in person. So let's see. So far, they're already going to be smaller than I was anticipating by what's in my hand, but, oh yes. What? They must not know how I like my drinks because this is so tiny. Oh my gosh. What in the world am I supposed to put in that little thing? This is very, very small. This is definitely not what I thought this was going to be at all. Like, I would probably use this for a shot glass. But this is very small, but it's very cute. I like the teal green rim, or the bluish green rim. I do like that. And then I will show you what this little charm will look like on this cute little tiny cup. This cup is very small though, you guys. I'm serious. I was not expecting it to be this small, but, and then you have your little charm that hangs around the bottom. So let me go ahead and just open up this other little one. Maybe next time I should read the ounces. I don't know if it even says, honestly. Because again, this is my very first one. These glasses are just very cute and tiny. And they must, when they blow them to, like, when they make this shape, it must not all be the same, because this one is a little wider. Let me see. And it's taller. Oh my gosh. These definitely, I'm gonna have to take a picture of these side by side and drop them in so you can literally see the difference between the two. But this is, let me show you. If I hold them together, they should match. Are you gonna be able to see that opening? That much of the gap right there? It is definitely, this one is definitely bigger than this one. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to drop in a picture, because there's a noticeably difference between the two sizes. But they're very cute. I do like them, but they're definitely two different sizes for sure. So maybe they're all just custom made, so not all of them are going to be the same. I'm not quite sure, but there is a huge difference when you set them side by side. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think about this box? We're all honest here. Let me know what you think. I'm a little thrown off by how the glasses are a good size. For one, they're smaller than what I was thinking, and for another, they're pretty much two different sizes. But again, if they're all handmade, they're probably not all going to be the same, because they're not using a machine to make them. So that is everything that came in that one. Now let me go ahead and show you the add-ons that I did get. So with the add-ons, I chose, this was considered the large tongs, and these are like wood. So here's a large set of tongs. Here is a spatula and a spoon, both wooden spoons. They have holes on the bottom to the top. And then I did get a oil. No, it's not an oil. It is a olive poker outer. So when you want to stab your olives, like when I make my dirty martinis and I can't get the dang things out of the jar, I can use this to poke them out and get my babies out, because yes. So this is a olive poker outer. I don't know what they call it, olive poker or something, but it's my little olive poker outer. Ooh, don't fall. Then I got two different sets of bowls. So I got a medium size bowl and then a small bowl. I felt like this would be cool for like chips and dip, or like appetizers if anybody's over or whatever. I just thought these would be really cool, and I love the way that they look. So here's two bowls, and they all kind of like match with that wood. Then let's see what this is. Where did my knife go now? Here we go. So there's two things in here. Oh, okay, I remember this. It's been like a month since I ordered. So I thought that was only gonna come with one, but I actually got two. These are barrettes. Like, you know, when I pull my hair back, I thought those would be cool, and they're wooden and they're probably hand carved, which those look so beautiful. Like the detail in them is stunning. I really, really like that. And then I have just 3 other things, you guys. So this is a dainty leaf pick set. And this one also you can pick at, let me take the glare off here. So here's the set, and I thought those are really, really cute because again, I do like my dirty martinis, and I bought like the little bamboo long little things to put the olives in, but I thought this would be cool because these are reusable and I can use them all the time. So let me just pull one out here to show you guys. So it has, this is the end, which that is very pretty. So there has the line on one side, and then it has a little poker on that end. So then I can shove my olives on here and set that in my martini glass, and that'll look really pretty. So I really like that. And then I got matching, this is You Spin Me Right Round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. You Spin Me Right Round, stainless steel drinking stirrers, and they have the same leaf on the end, and it's just 4 little stir-uppers for when you make cocktails or any type of a drink. You have these, and I thought it was really cool because they match. They're exactly the same size too. So that is really neat. I really like that. So there's that, and then I got one other thing, you guys. And oh yeah, I remember what this is. And I'm really excited because I've always wanted one of these, and I've never bought one for one reason or another. But now I have one. So this is a handmade and fair trade collection tablet and book stand. So I'm gonna use this for like my recipes, but look at that. Here, let me take this off. Look at that detail. It's like hand carved. That is so pretty. I like that. So then it has 3 different holes on the back, 1, 2, and 3. And then you just, depending on how of an angle you want this to sit, and then you just put your tablet or your recipe book or whatever right there. And I do HelloFresh, so I always have my card, and it's always lying around somewhere. So at least I can put my card there, or when I'm making something, I put my recipe book there. And if you do put a tablet, it does have a hole, and you can put it up through the thing so that the charger, if it's charging, will go underneath and be all tucked in. So that's really cool. So there is that. So those are my add-ons that I chose to get for this. And yeah, so again, if you do want to order this and you're interested to get your first box for that $10, my code will be down below. You can go check them out. And again, if you do not like the theme of the month, or you don't really care for that theme, there are other options for you to choose from. So you can just pretty much choose whichever one you would like. And I like that because it shows you everything that's in there and you get to choose. That's why I chose this one, because I really wanted these color glasses, but they're a little tiny. But that makes them even cuter. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. I would greatly appreciate that. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.